So this is the Tolman model. My name's Eduardo Pizarro. I'm from Team One. I'm the quiz director or quiz guide. So for question number one on the quiz, it says discourse characterized by reasons advanced to support conclusions, reasoning made public with the goal of influencing an audience. So the four choices that we're provided are kairos, argument, aesthetics, and syllogism. So out of these four, it's going to be argument. Argument is going to be the answer right here. That's the definition of argument. See, we see arguments anywhere from the comfort of our home to political debates on TV. Argumentation can be practiced and used on a daily basis, if used correctly, obviously. So yeah, uh, number one is going to be argument. On to question number two. Number two says the context of a rhetorical event that consists of an issue, an audience, and a set of constraints is a warrant, a rhetorical situation, syllogism, or a rhetorical discourse. So when you take these three factors being issue, audience, and set of constraints, this is going to be a rhetorical situation. You know, rhetorical situation uses these three components in order to have effective communication. So when you have these three, it's going to be a rhetorical situation. Okay, so number three in the Tolman argument model, the proposition or propositions used to prove the point being argued, it's going to be called either the claim, the reason, the qualifier, or the warrant. So when I did the quiz, I hit the ward, didn't do my research before doing this quiz or answering this question. But yeah, so the reason is going to be the correct answer here. It's used to prove the point that's being argued. I was wrong putting the warrant in because the warrant's the reasoning after you examine the data or evidence. So the correct answer here is going to be the reason. All right, going off to number four. From what period is Stephen Toulmin? It's either going to be, one of these four Englishmen, I believe that's how you pronounce it, 19th century, 20th or 21st century. So Stephen Toulmin was born in March of 1922, making that the 20th century. He was born in London. Question number five. What is a major work that Stephen Tolman wrote? I mean, I just put the picture on here, but it's either going to be the uses of argument, the rhetoric of fiction, philosophy of style, or the philosophy of rhetoric. Obviously, the answer is going to be the uses of argument. He published his book in 1958. Question number six, a claim can either be the most general statement of an argument, or the writer's position in a position essay. A claim could be a claim could use words such as some, most, many, in general, usually, typically, and so on. Or a claim could be why a writer believes in his or her position. So as the picture below, we can see that the claim says that it is a statement that answers the question. Same thing as the picture on the bottom right, though it shows an example of a claim, though they may seem mere entertainment. Hollywood movies are actually responsible for reinforcing cultural stereotypes in America. So that right there is going to be the claim. It's going to be the most general statement. The claim is basically going to be the simple statement that answers the initial question. So question number seven is going to be which philosopher is responsible for the method of argument analysis that seeks to deconstruct an argument into its constituent parts? Claim grounds or data, warrant, backing, qualifiers, rebuttals, and exceptions. I mean, this person is who the presentation and the quiz was about. So, obviously it's going to be Stephen Tolman. Yeah, so he's the philosopher responsible for this method. And yeah, it's gonna be it.